can't hardly go, but still I see victory. Many times I'm walking by faith and can't see what lies before me, but still I see victory.